Traditional, American or macchiato, in a cup or a glass. More than 70 million espressos are served in Italy every day, making the Bel Paese the largest consumer of this wonderful product. Grinding is the key to an exceptional espresso. An incorrect grinding may even overheat the mixture to a burnt coffee powder. Eureka believes the grinding procedure has a crucial importance. A too fine a grinding makes coffee aroma too strong, while a too thick a grinding results in a dull flavor, because coffee is less soluble and therefore less able to spread its aroma into water. For this reason, Eureka has patented an adjusting system and made it standard on all its models, featuring innovative technology and elegant design. The Eureka trademark has always stood for excellent coffee grinding, building up a sound reputation over the years with ever more professional product lines. Following this evolutionary path, the glorious MDL models of the 70s have led to the newer Olympus and Zenith models. The Eureka catalogue now includes a wide range of professional coffee grinders to suit every kind of coffee, productivity and budget. All Eureka products are certified to comply with the current standards and regulations worldwide, allowing Eureka to act as a global market player while ensuring the quality of a product which is fully made in Florence. Each machine undergoes severe testing, including hours of real and grueling working sessions to ensure resistance of the grinding mechanisms under every operating condition. Eureka takes care of every single machine, from engineering to packaging, from production to marketing, leaving nothing to chance. Every grinder is hand-assembled piece by piece in the single manufacturing venue located in Sesto Fiorentino. The Eureka label was founded in 1920, when Aurelio Conti began manufacturing electric whisks in a small workshop on the outskirts of Florence. Even those early products were characterized by high quality and the unmatched style of those times. Soon after the war, a new line of coffee grinding products was marketed, which immediately won a worldwide leadership. Thanks to the traditional attention to detail, building quality and a smart promotional activity in trade fairs and exhibitions. A long time has passed since then, and the new Olympus and Zenith lines of coffee grinders represent an ideal link between past and future. Classic and timeless styling are evidence of Eureka's attitude towards style and technique. Eureka aims to ensure the best grinding to enhance the flavors of Italian espresso. Italian technology and design. A passion for coffee since 1920, this is Eureka.